Hello, Senators. Welcome back to a new week here at HPG. I really hope that all of you use this weekend to re energize, relax, and get ready for tomorrow, Monday. This week is a very special week, not only because we celebrate Dr. Seuss, but is the first week of the 6 week period. Thank you, all of you, for your work last week in regards the data analysis provided to the admin, or discussions about um, the gaps, about the high leverage ticks, and how are we going to drive our instruction very targeted in the next 15 days before spring break. So again, I know that there's a lot of things that, especially in math, new things that need to be covered, but the key will be in how we spiral and how we use our small group support with our aggressive monitoring to find and address those gaps showed in this past common assessment number 4. So please join me and look down on the newsletter about all the important information that we have for you, starting with why fit in when you were born to stand out. Yes, personalized learning is a program. Is not just only a program; is a model. It's an instructional model that addresses the whole child, and thanks to people like you that are um, relentless and focus in at addressing the needs of each child, make this possible. So thank you again to be innovator, to be continue to use your creativity in the classroom, because that is what our kids need. So next week, you will be able to see that we will have a grade level chair meeting tomorrow, Monday, and we start our teach observations day 2. So please, if you are a science teacher, remember to look at your calendar. PL team will be in our campus. Doing some learning walks. Then throughout the week, we will have we start tutoring for a Wednesday on grading, science, and math on Thursday, and we will have our first Saturday school. Dr. Susperet, remember the parents are allowed to be present, and that was discussed in SBDM, but please talk to your grade level chair. We're going to discuss that tomorrow. I added the information regarding the points for our local accountability that includes not only the state assessment, but also the importance of academic, the culture and climate survey, and the extracurricular participation for all students and teachers, for us to provide this to the state. So again, on on that note, under that, we put this button about the survey questions, so you can also start using those third, fourth, and fifth grade teachers and specials to start using that with your kids to discuss about the rationale, right, of the questions when they answer them in April. If you click on the countdown to start, it's countdown, so you will be able to see how many days are left for that. And I'm going to show you also, this is our common assessment number 4, and where we are, we can see for reading, for writing, math, and science on this part, how many approaches meet and masters, and the total of students that took the test. Now, here is the important piece: where are we? Are we on track? Where are we? Where do we need support? So as of right now, we're letter C. That doesn't mean that it cannot change. Of course, it can change. So for the next 3 weeks, we tie the spots together with extended observation, with the purpose of support you to ensure that the kids are able themselves to find their own gaps and work harder. So again, this information is for you to see where we are as a campus and the areas that we need to grow. Going back to the newsletter, Mr. Robles, is going to add the information for the scheduling for Telpas for all the students going to the class, to the computer lab, starting tomorrow, Monday. We almost, I think the Telpas calibration, the Telpas writing collection plan is done. By this time, all the writing samples should be submitted and ready for our verifiers um, to count, correct? Under that, we have the Gonzalez PL Weekly Spotlight. Congratulations to Ms. Gomez, AT, and Ms. Villegas. You are phenomenal, and thank you for all your support. And it's true, Ms. Gomez, you're one of the first ones to be in school and one of the last ones. So thank you for that and many other things that you do at our school. So, Miss, we have a new donations from Office Depot. Go and look at it. Thank you for the kindness wall, Mr. Calavia. Continue with this initiative that involves the students' well-being, for students also to share their feelings and to give an inspiration quote to others, right? So thank you. And at the end, we have the information about Dr. Seuss. So on Monday, what the kids are going to be able to wear, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, etc. So we can get ready for the parade. And last, don't forget to use the library as a big resource for your lessons. Is a way that Ms. Rosa can assist you to make those extensions, have those study groups, or if the students are learning a specific topic, we have books for that. So please talk to Miss Rosa or use the links below so you can check out those books from the library. All right. So we start a new week. Do your best. Continue portraying the mission of our school to empower all world changers in this personalized learning environment to transformative thinking, collaboration, and leadership. Thank you all for all your work. Let's continue doing their best because we know that here at Gonzalez, we build scholars. See you tomorrow, senators.